Hello everyone. We all know that earthworms are the friends of the farmers. Let's check out why. Let's talk about Sushila Agroferd's vermicompost. Vermicompost is a nutrient-rich organic soil amendment that is made by composting organic waste with the help of worms. It is convenient and efficient way to reduce the volume of organic waste while making soil rich at the same time. That can help to improve soil structure, water holding capacity, and overall fertility. The NPK content of vermicompost is higher than soil and it has 2 to 3 times significantly positive effect on growth. Use of vermicompost also reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. It also improves soil aeration and water retention, which can help to reduce the need for watering and improve overall plant health. So if you are looking for an eco-friendly way of gardening, get Sushila Agroferd's vermicompost today. Happy gardening!